That inside this with Nigeria, you get one man when they call Baba Sule. Baba Sule, na fish in the cash take chop. Before, he and family they enjoy wella. Because every morning, Baba Sule go paddle in canoe, go deep inside the water, and when he throw a net, by afternoon, he don't pack basket then where fish full, go house. Now so they take care of his wife Amina, their 2 children, Musa and Halima. For that time, life not too bad for their side. But now him life can't change. Climate change can't come. And this climate change, send anybody message. It just come without to give anybody any warning. The rain where they fall steady before, it stop. The water where Baba Sule they depend on to make him business flow come begin dry small until fish not today again. One evening like that, Baba Sule come sit down for front of their compound. In picking then they play. He rub his head. Frustration